For the benefit of the first-time users, let's start by showing how you can log into your application. For you to log in, just open up practicesuite.com, and on the home page, on the top right inside, you have a login link. You can just click on that login, and that will bring you to the login page of Practice Suite. Here you can enter your username, password, and your account number, and hit the secure login button to be logged into the application. Once you're logged in, on the left-hand side, you're going to see a menu bar. This is what you would use for getting into any part of the application. We'll go to the menu bar in just a moment. The right-hand side, you have the home page. The home page has several dashboard widgets that show the activities within your database. You can also customize the dashboard widgets if you don't want any particular widget to appear on the screen. You can click on the gear option on the top right-hand corner of the dashboard screen, and that opens up this Select and Edit Your Dashboard Widgets page. And you can check any widget that you need to show up on the dashboard, or if any items need to be removed, you can simply uncheck it and hit the Save button to have the changes applied to the dashboard widget screen. Next, on the top right-hand side, you can see there's also these different icons. You can click on the home page, that is the home icon, and anytime you move away from the home page, you can return to the home page by clicking on this icon. Next is the messaging. So if you click on the messaging, it brings you to an inter-office messaging screen. There are also other options here, which is you have the to-do, patient, communication, direct messages. There's also other messaging options that are available on this screen. The next is the question mark, which brings us to the help page. We have a pretty comprehensive help section. There's different tabs here for help. You've got My Topics, videos, FAQs, and you also have online reference, and you can also search by topics. In addition to the help, which is available within the application, you also have a help aid, which is academy.practicesuite.com. You also have some additional help content available on this website. Next to that icon is for the chat. So if you click on the chat, you can see a chat pane appears on the right-hand side. You can select the module that you need assistance with, and then just fill in this information and hit submit to be instantly connected to a chat support representative. To minimize this pane, just click on the 3 gear options on the top right-hand side. Next is the icon for opening up the support portal, and this will open up the page where you can create new support requests, and you can also track and monitor the support tickets. So you can hit the new ticket option on the top right-hand side if you want to create an offline support request. Just fill in the information, hit submit at the bottom, and that will create a new support ticket. The main listing page also shows you the support tickets that you have been added. It also shows you the status of the tickets, whether they're open or closed, and you can click on the subject. You can click on it to see the ticket information. Next, where your username shows up, you have a drop-down, and when you click on it, a menu appears, and you've got several options here. You can change password. You can also have a customer service page that you can access from this menu. You just click on the customer service, and that opens up to this customer service page. From here, you can also submit a request for support. Just fill in this information, hit submit, and that'll trigger an email to support, which they'll respond to you via email. You also have the option to start a live chat from here, and there is the customer service phone numbers and emails, just in case you need to contact them either by phone or email. Next on the menu, which is under the customer service, there is a security PIN. You'll be prompted to provide the PIN when you contact support. This is used for authenticating for the support team. And this pin, which is this number, acts as a passphrase. As you can see, when I clicked on security pin, it shows the number that is for my database, which is my demo database. So if you click on the security pin in your database, you will see what is the security pin allotted for your database. And you can provide this pin when you contact support, and they'll verify the pin before they proceed and process your request. The administrator has the ability to change that pin at any time. Next, on this top right-hand side, there's where the three gears are. If you click on it, there's also a tab here for preferences. If you want to change the theme of the application, you can always change the theme by clicking on the name of the theme, and that'll switch it to whichever one you've selected. Also, you would notice that whenever you open a screen within the application, they always open up as tabs, as you can see here. This helps you to toggle between screens quickly. If you want to toggle from one screen to the other easily, you can just do that by clicking on the tabs. Now on the left-hand side where the menu bar is, this is where you would use for getting into any part of the application. There are two types of menus here. For example, the charges menu, when you click on that, you can see it brings up a side menu. And then if you want to go into one of the screens there, for example, submit claims, you can just click on the submit claims and it opens up that screen for you. Or it could be a menu without any side menus. You can just, for example, patient, you can just click on the patient and it instantly opens up the patient screen. So that was a general overview of the application.